everybody, Christina Hoffmeyer here with the Remax Select Realty Christina Hoffmeyer team. And as we do every week, this is another episode of Transformation Tuesday. We are currently in the home of 218 East Wallace Avenue in Newcastle. I love this home. If you know anything about me, I'm a big historian buff. I love knowing what's happened in history, and this home gave me an opportunity to look back into its past. This home was built in 1920, and what I love about this home is that it still has a lot of the original historic features that made it so unique then and so beautiful now. So what we did for this renovation is try to blend in the original features of the home that are so unique to it with some modern conveniences. So in case you missed the before photos, like we always do, let's take a quick rewind. All right, now that you're all caught up to speed, let's take a look around and see what she looks like now.
As far as we can tell, the home was built on or about 1920, and the earliest recorded owner of this home was a Clyde Shannon and his family. Clyde worked as a bookkeeper in one of the local mills in the city of Newcastle. You will see that they designed this home with leaded glass windows through most of the downstairs as well as the china cupboards. The dining room also had leaded glass French doors that were unfortunately unsavable. Each one of the rooms has a fireplace in it, and this was not only for decor purposes for the time period, but also served as supplemental heating to the coal furnace that was originally located in the basement. The room we are entering now used to be one very long room that we have now divided into two. We've made this long room into an office or den space and also a first floor laundry room. This is important in this home as the foundation is sandstone. It is dark and dingy and not much that we can do to change that. So we've brought the laundry facilities upstairs to make this a neat and clean place to wash clothes. Next, we'll make our way into the kitchen, and you will notice there are original cabinets in this kitchen. These cabinets were likely made by hand over a long period of time and were just a gem to the original builder of this home. Here you'll notice a set of secondary steps. This would have been for the workers who lived in the home, as the person who built this was likely a little wealthier than the average family in town. This leads up to the bedrooms, all which again have that fireplace to keep the family warm at night. In original homes of this time period, it was not unlikely for homes not to have a register feeding from the furnace upstairs, so the fireplace was their only source of heat.
Thanks for joining us for another episode of Transformation Tuesday here at 218 East Wallace Avenue. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to keep up to date with all the videos we come out with every week. Thanks for joining us again. Until next time, happy investing. Bye.